Tastes good. Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and today I'm bringing you kind of a different video than usual. Usually my videos are around like DIY, doing stuff yourself, but this one's more about taking care of yourself and maybe treating your body with something really good like AG1. So what I did was I bought this, my own money, not sponsored, and I wanted to give an honest review. Just a normal dude that drinks the AG1 every day and sees how he feels after 1 week, 1 month, and 2 months. So let's get into it. So if you're not familiar with what AG1 is, it stands for athletic greens. At the high level, what it is, it's basically like daily nutrition. So it's like a greens supplement, so like your vegetables and stuff like that. And it's supposed to help with like gut health and things like that. So what's in it? It's basically like a multivitamin, a prebiotic, probiotic, super greens, like I said. They're saying it's superfood. It's got stress adaptogens. I don't even know what that means. It's got functional mushrooms, so these aren't the crazy mushrooms. These are like the mushrooms you're supposed to eat to help you function, and antioxidants, okay? So that's all kind of super packed into this. And this is what basically the gist of it is. So it comes in packets, but they give you, when you order it, this like container. So you can see how much I got in there. It's this green powder. And it's actually really simple. What I do is I usually just put my ice in there. I usually pour a little bit of water. It comes with this D3 and K2. This is supposed to be good for your immunity. All right, and then what I do is I take a scoop. Then what I do is I fill it back up with a little bit of water, and you drink this down. It's real easy to shake up. And you're supposed to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach so your body can absorb it. So that's what I did. So let me talk about my experience unbiased. Within the first week, I noticed that I had a lot more energy. It's very odd. It was day 3 or 4. I said, man, I got a lot more energy, and I was like, maybe it's because of AG1, maybe there's something here, you know? And if I kept feeling that way, it definitely would have been worth the cost, but I'll tell you that quickly went away. I'd say by the second week, I was just back to like my normal self. Not that I'm like tired all the time, but I just felt normal. I did notice kind of like maybe going to the bathroom. I don't have issues with that, but like I would guess maybe if you have issues with that, this might help you, because I did notice a difference there. But again, after about a week, that kind of went away. Maybe my body just got used to everything, and I had no issue. About a month in, I kind of just started feeling normal again. I drank this every single day. I will say, around a month time, I did get a cold, and it was probably one of the mildest colds, and I felt the best that I ever felt with a cold, if that makes any sense. And I was drinking this the entire time. So I don't know if it helped during the cold was either a mild cold or this really helped that. So that's something, you know, I kind of keep in the back of my mind. But after about a month, I kind of just said, you know what, I think I'm done with it. I don't think it's really worth it for me. I don't think I'm gonna renew it. My wife said, I think you should give it 2 months. Anything like this you're giving your body, it takes your body some time to get used to it. So I said, all right, let me do a 2-month review. All right, so I got about 2 months in. Unfortunately, I really didn't notice anything. Everything that I kind of initially felt kind of just went away. My body just felt normal. I do think I'm going to keep buying this, but what you can do on their website, which is really cool, you can actually control everything through their website. It's not like you're stuck to any kind of subscription. You can tell them, I want a delivery every like 3 months. So what I did was I pushed mine out to December. I'm gonna have this around. I'm not gonna take it daily. Instead, I'm just gonna kind of keep taking my normal stuff, because I do kind of take care of myself on a daily basis. Maybe this is why this didn't really have that much of effect on me, is I take like D3, vitamin D, I take zinc every day, and I take this stuff called quercetin. I'm not a doctor, of course, I'm just a dude. But what I understand is this basically activates the zinc. Now, tell me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but these work together as sort of superpowers. So maybe it's because I was already taking these supplements, and you know, I didn't really need the additional supplementation. With that being said, I think this stuff is very high quality based on all the research that I've done. I'll probably have a delivery every like 3 months or something like that. It's not cheap, it's 88 bucks a month. And if it did what it did for the first week that I used it, it'd be worth the 88 bucks. I felt incredible. All right, so if you use this stuff or you're thinking about using this, let me know down in the comments below. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Give me a like. Maybe check out my website, familydiytv.com. I'm AG1 out.